Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with my September Clique kit share. So I'm super excited to say that I have finally been able to sign up for Clique kits again. I was in their kit club for I think 6 to 8 months back in 2015. It might have not even been that long, but I just really haven't had a whole lot of extra money the past couple of years, and I'm donating plasma again, and so I'm thinking I should be able to pay, you know, the $40 a month for a kit. And so I'm super duper excited that I was able to subscribe again, because I've been wanting to subscribe to Clique kits for years, ever since I quit. I hated that I had to quit, but we all know life happens. Anyway, so this is my September kit. I did buy the August kit, but I think that one got lost in the mail. I'm super sad because my mailman is like really awful, and he oftentimes will send my packages to a different address on the wrong, or the same address on the wrong street. And then that lady, usually she'll call me and tell me that she got a package for me. But she didn't call me this time, and so I'm wondering if maybe she just returned it to the sender. I don't know. And so I'm kind of sad. I still haven't gotten my August kit, so hopefully we'll be able to work that out, because the August kit was amazing. But I did want to get on and show you this amazing September kit. Like, seriously, when I got my kit, like, I died, because I saw the pictures and they're just gorgeous, but it's like when you get it in your hands, you're like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. So like I said, this is my Clique kit for September 2018, and I think what we'll do is we will start with the papers. So I'll set everything else aside. I love, absolutely love, the Clique kits designs a printable and then sends you the printable page. It's just really nice, because I'm bad, like I love printables, but I'm bad about printing them because my printer sucks. So I have to print my stuff, you know, elsewhere, like at Staples or something, but it's always pricey to print it there, and then go pick it up and everything. So it's just so much easier and awesome that they, like they send the actual printed designs. And this month they are designed by Cicely Moore, and it's super cute. I love the lemons. I love the little watercolor swatch, I guess you could call that. Let's go outside. Super cute. I love this, and the tags, they're so amazing. So super cute. I'll probably cut those out and put those in with the ephemera so that I can use those. Okay, then we have, I think this month, it's the Kaiser Craft Floor Collection. So there's, first off, this paper, and this one is called Kindness. And I do like the different swatches. It's like 4 different papers. But see, I also love this side too. I'm a polka dot person. I love polka dots. And so it's like, I'm excited about both sides. It's sad though, because look at this. Look at how gorgeous this green with the pink is. I just absolutely love that. So I don't know. Maybe I'll have to just cut it up and see what I do with it. This is from, let's see. Oh, this is Webster's Pages, The Good Life, I think. And this is called The Good Garden. I love this yellow. It's a gorgeous yellow, but look at that. Oh my gosh, this I just kind of want to frame. It's so pretty. And then we have Webster's Pages again, The Good Life, and this is natural wrapping. Oh, I love this too. The wood. Kaiser Craft Floor, and this is called Sweetie. I love the watercolor look to that. This is kind of bold. So I'll probably use this side more likely. I love this. This is Simple Stories, Always and Forever. And it is, let's see, this one is called Love Us. I love that paper. I love this collection. I think I actually have some of this collection already. Okay, then this is Webster's Pages, The Good Life again, and it's called Good Life Sketch. I love this dark green with the, like, I wonder, I think it's black, but it does look like it could be a super dark navy. And then this is a cute paper. I love this Kaiser Craft floral. This is called Lovable. Super cute. This is a really pretty pink one too. Oh, that's going to be so hard to choose. Here's a nice green marble. I love the greens in this. Oh, and that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so hard to choose. This one is called Heartfelt. I love all of these. I love this. Let your true self shine. I love that. So I think I'm definitely going to just cut this up immediately after I get off here. I'm just going to cut up the paper and probably play with some Project Life. This is XOXO, and that's a super pretty floral. So now we are back at the beginning again. So those are all of the papers in the printable. Then we have this is the Kaiser Craft ephemera. Let's see. Yeah, it's die cut shapes. It's called Fleur is the collection that it's called. So I'm going to dump these out and show you. Like, this is amazing. Usually what Clique Kits does is they don't give you the whole ephemera pack. But I guess this month they decided to do the whole pack, which is really cool. But, it's huge. I mean, that's awesome. But I love that they kind of break up the ephemera packs because I never use all of the ephemera. So this is kind of fun that they included the whole pack. Okay, so here are a lot of the pieces. So pretty. Lots of flowers and leaves. I love the green and pink together. It's like the perfect combination. Got lots of little tags and banners and just gorgeousness in this pack. I love this cute little rose flower. I don't know, is that supposed to be a rose? Look at that. Aren't they just so pretty? Anyway, so I love this ephemera pack in this collection. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So that is all of that. We'll just set that to the side. Then you also get these jelly bean soup foil tags. This says happy. This one says thanks. Hello. Love. And then enjoy. Oh, I thought they were all tied together, but that's awesome. I am taking a class from Hannah through Clique Kits this fall. I think it starts October 1st. If you haven't bought that class, go and buy it. And there's a kit, which I think is almost sold out. So you'll want to hurry up and go get that. But I'm wondering if maybe I could include these because it's going to be a fall kit. And these look super fall. But I don't know. We'll see. I love those. Then here is some, let's see, dimensional goodies. Okay, so we've got some chipboard pieces. This one says welcome. And I think it's got like a sticker backed. This one says forever and ever. Love lives here. A star. And then a pretty floral. Oh, sorry guys. I guess you couldn't see those. Okay. And I think my focusing isn't working. Here's some black and silver and off-white sequins. So those will be fun to use. I got 2 of these fall, what are these? Safety pins. Those are super cute. And then, oh, these are the same, like they match the printables. So this one says feel the love, and then this is just a pattern. We also got some pretty little Studio Savannah Dreams word stickers. I love little word stickers to just kind of use for little cluster areas. And then also Pink Fresh Studio a case of the Blah's puffy stickers. So I love the black. Looks awesome. So that is my Clique kit, September kit. I will start using this kit very soon. I think actually after I get off here, I'm going to cut up some of the papers and maybe do a little fall spread layout or something. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.